In China, everything seems to be bigger: cities, highways, and of course, mega projects. And one project in particular stands out: the largest and most powerful dam in the world. With a reservoir so massive, it even slows down the Earth's rotation. The sheer scale of the structure is unlike anything that the world has ever seen before. It's an inspiring but dangerous structure at the same time. It generates electricity for millions of people. It's also repeatedly criticized for the risk of collapse. But what lies behind it? Is the dam really in danger? In this video, we will explore one of the biggest mega projects in the entire world: the Three Gorges Dam. 2.3 km along its longest point and towering at more than 180 meters, the Three Gorges Dam in Hubei is massive. The structure itself a most impressive feature. With a total installed capacity of 22.5 gigawatts, it's also the world's largest power station of any kind. How was it built? Building on this scale and across a massive river is no easy feat, and it took 17 years. So, in order to begin construction, the engineers had to overcome two challenges. They needed to block the Yangtze's upstream, and at the same time, they had to make sure that enough water could still pass through, since the river's continuous flow is vital for cities downstream. So, during construction, the stone enclosures were placed upstream. So, this enabled the workers to lay the first part of foundation on the dry land. To create a perfect balance, engineers made use of cofferdams and directed the Yangtze's flow around them. Once the concrete structure was completed, they started installing the first turbines. After that, the cofferdams were blown up and the water reached the dam's turbine for the first time. Other than power generation and flood control, other benefit of this mega project is that it's easier to navigate along Yangtze's upstream. To get massive ships across the dam, they use series of ship locks and a very special feature, the largest ship lift in the world. This machine is capable of carrying vessels weighing as much as 3,000 tons over an elevation of 110 meters, compared to the logs which only take up to 4 hours. This lift does the trick in only 30 minutes. The construction of such a massive mega project requires high level of knowledge in science and engineering. Just recently, it was announced that more than 23,000 individual vessels passed through the Three Gorges in the first half of 2023. And there is one more thing. At first sight, this looks like a calm lake in a beautiful landscape. However, something sets the reservoir from any ordinary lake. Its existence is owed solely to the colossal dam. Should the unthinkable happen and the dam break, the massive amount of water will roar downstream, sweeping away everything in the path. Such an event will put the lives of more than 400 million people living along the Yangtze River in danger. Of course, the engineers are aware of this and the dam is regularly inspected. But there still was concern when the satellite images showed up. They show a slightly deserted shape of Three Gorges Dam, which is why concerns its structural integrity were put into question. However, Chinese media were quick to dismiss the rumors, saying that the viral images were a result of the algorithm error in the Google map. It becomes evident that the role of this dam extends far beyond its engineering brilliance. It has to hold back the forces of nature as long as the reservoir behind it exists. So what does the future hold for this project? Although the theoretical maximum capacity of the dam is 22.5 gigawatts, in reality only 45% of this is generated by the facility. Because of the Yangtze seasonal changes, the force of water flowing through the Three Gorges turbine vary depending on the time of year. The plant used to be home to the world's largest waterfall by volume, which was subsequently submerged following the construction of reservoir. To further increase the Three Gorges capacity, studies conducted on the potential use of AI to optimize the facility energy generation capacity. Using historical data on Yangtze's flow, researchers have been able to make use of algorithms to predict the power generation of dam in any given season. They have concluded that these models can be used by its operators to increase the efficiency in long term. Another future plan to improve the Three Gorges Dam is the construction of portage railways. Through this system, cargo from ships will be transferred onto awaiting trains. They are carried to the other side of the dam and loaded onto other vessels. In addition to the site's existing ship 20 blocks and left. This future railway would make the transit of cargo across the dam even more easier. With all these additions, the Three Gorges Dam continues to stand as a symbol of human engineering. Thank you for watching.